Alright guys, we're on location. We're about to do a rubber pour in place patch job on this beautiful playground we got. So come and follow along. Alright, just made it on location. Gotta do some rubber pour in place repairs. Fix up these little cracks for the kids.
We just cleared out, cut out sections of the bad rubber, and now we are going to prime it and get it ready to for the patch job. And as we're priming, making sure we get these edges good.
Yeah. Sometimes it's easier just to use your hand with these little smaller holes, and then use a trowel just to press it down and cover it up, level it out. That way you're not using a lot of excess like some people do. Smooth as butter. All right, we're gonna follow Danny to do the final inspection.
All right, here was
Make
our
sure
first,
everything's done.
Our first place right here. A few little areas. A couple days time should blend in nicely.
Still drying. It'll take up to 3 to 6 months for it to match, depending on the UV light and how much wear and tear the previous rubber had. There's another little spot. As you can see, they're a little brighter. Hopefully the kids will stay away from them. Everything's looking pretty good.
Looks good.
Beautiful playground they got. I like how they got the tent in the middle, covering multiple parts of the playground.
That spot you almost stepped on. Can't even see it. Look at that.
Blends right in. Looks like there's been multiple repair jobs out here before us. Yep, there's another one. We can step right over. The hardest part about repair jobs is cutting out the proper amount of section in the old stuff and blending it with the new stuff. Leveling it all out. Luckily this one doesn't have very high fall height, so it doesn't need much shockwave layer underneath. Not sure what happened there.
One over here.
Yep. Alright, that wraps it up. All done. Ready for the kids to have some fun and be safe. See y'all next time.